Next, we'll demonstrate the cloud filling stitch. We'll need 3 types of thread. First, use the first thread for anchor points, using 6 strands of color number 8. At the top, middle, and bottom areas, stitch small anchor points. Bring up at this position. Insert below. Make a small straight stitch. Following these steps, make 1 stitch at each anchor point. No need to make them too long, just enough for later weaving. The bottom 2 rows are the same. Stitch anchor points for all. Keep stitch spacing consistent. This creates an even pattern. After stitching, tie off at the back. Then, use 6 strands of color number 3 for the second weaving. Bring up at this position. Pass through the middle anchor point. Pull. Then pass through the upper anchor point, forming a V shape. Following the line's direction, continue weaving. Don't pull too tight to prevent bunching, which affects appearance. The top line is now woven. Now, let's weave the bottom, using 6 strands of color number 2. Again, bring up here. Pass through the upper anchor points. Following the same steps, weave in sequence, creating continuous inverted V shapes. Insert. This cloud filling stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.